Time for some new tires. Okay, so today we're gonna be changing the tires on the family car. Rose, are you ready? Mama, are you ready?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go Shokuba.
Let's go Shokuba. Hey Rose, are you excited to see how to change tires on a car? So the tires on the car, they aren't doing so well anymore. I actually have one with a shifted belt. And you probably can't see this in the video, but the whole car is actually bouncing a little bit in the rear end from that one tire. Now, because this is an all-wheel drive vehicle, I'm not gonna just change 2 tires or even just the one. They all need to be the same size on an all-wheel drive vehicle. So it's actually really important. You can mess up your driveline if you put new tires on with old tires and the sizes are a little bit different. You're actually moving the drive line at a different speed than like front to rear. So definitely have to change all 4, unfortunately. These tires are a little bit pooched anyway. There's only a little bit of tread left on them currently, and they are very old. So yes, we will be changing. Look at that motorcycle guy, just totally, I don't care about the law. So yes, we will be changing all 4 tires, and here we come. And it looks like that policeman saw what that motorcycle guy did. Do you want anything from Tim Hortons, son?
Oh, actually, I have a free one.
You have a free one. Haha, I won too.
I mean, it's not.
Do you want hot chocolate?
Do you want a hot chocolate, Rose? Yeah?
Did you see her face? I think
Yeah.
the one was sour.
We're just making a pit stop at the Canada's national treasure, Tim Hortons. Hi there, I've won a couple of coffees.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
At the window, thank you.
Thank you. Today the sun is shining. Hey Rose. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My oh my, what a wonderful day.
I mean, it's not.
Plenty of sunshine coming my way. Zippity doo dah,
Papa, I mean, it's not.
zippity yay. You're snacking?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here comes some hot chocolate coming your way. And here we are.
Where are we?
Shokuba family.
Yes, we're at Papa's work.
Birds.
Rose, we're gonna change the tires. Because this tire's got a big bulge in it. We're gonna change the tires. This is the tire, the rubber tire. This tire's got a big bulge in it, look. There.
Is he helping you?
Wow! You want that? No?
Let's try. Let's try, please. 저거?
Yeah.
오. 보고 있다구나.
Whoa, there you go. So we just put the new tires on, but what's next? Rose, what's next? Well, we have to do a TPMS relearn. That's a tire pressure monitoring system. Searching. Yeah. Overinflated it by 1 pound. But at least I was consistent with my overinflation. Right, Rose? Yay. Yay! All sensors are okay. Okay, now it wants me to connect the tool again. Yay! Just a moment, sweetie. I'm relearning the TPMS lights. Look at you. So it's reading the VIN, writing the IDs, reading IDs. Yay! Where's the any key? And let's just verify. Yay! Oh, okay. Lights flashing. Okay, Rose, we got the new tires on. Rose really didn't want to leave. She was having too much fun in the garage. But now that we got the tires on, let's go for a drive. This is gonna be really smooth, honey. Really smooth. Rose, are you ready? Mama, are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. All right. Feel that, Rose. It's smooth. So my TPMS light is still flashing after the relearn. It sensed all, like, it picked up all the sensors, so I'm guessing I just have to take it for a drive. And we'll see if the light goes out. If it doesn't, then I'll have to diagnose what the problem is and go from there. But I'm just so happy to have round tires now. And here we go. Here we go. So my colleague Peter was nice enough to.
Papa, school bus.
Oh, that's a city bus, Rose.
No, over there.
Oh, was there a school bus over there?
No, right there.
Oh, right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my colleague was nice enough to come into the shop and help me out with that. That was great. And what I'm going to return the favor now because he has a transmission that was at the shop and needs to be brought to his storage place. So I'm going to help him with a little bit of heavy lifting. Here we go. Transmission. One transmission coming out. It's actually not that heavy. It's just awkward. Oops, you got it?
Yep.
And this is its new home for a little while. And same with this engine here, which will eventually be in a Datsun 510. All right. Transmission in storage. Let's get a move on. Rose, are you ready? Mom, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Such nice, smooth tires. This is amazing. We are gonna go grab something to eat and enjoy a supper together as a family. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. If you're feeling generous, hit that like button. And if you want to be part of the conversation, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, that's smooth.
Not shaking.
Oh, and the TPMS light went out. I just needed to drive it. Bonus. Rose, the TPMS light went out. TPMS light went out. Isn't that good news? Yes! You say awesome.
Awesome.